Today we're having a look at the full deployment of the North Rockhampton Flood Mitigation Project. It's a project there that I've been very passionate about and one that I'm keen to see tested. That said, I'm not keen to see a flood for our community, but this is going to really change the shape of the Burker area. Hopeful that these properties, 400 in total, are going to be able to go through this flood without having to the pain and the heartache of having to deal with the flood, but then also the clean up afterwards. The project was a $3 million project, funded 50-50 by the state government and council, where we were able to do both projects. There's this project in Burker, but also the Dowling Street Project over in the top of the Kershaw Gardens. Both of these projects will be put to the test in the coming week, and from that we're hopeful that we'll be able to gain further funding, which will allow us to do further this type of mitigation work in our community. The benefit to our community is that it's not going to be a cost to come in and clean up after these flood events. The local community approached me when I was first a member of this area, asking could we do something about it, because first of all they'd see the floodwater backing up through the stormwater drains, understanding that Lake Street Road effectively is a levee in itself. So by using the Lake Street Road section with backflow prevention valve flaps on there in the stormwater drains, stopping the water coming through from the river, and then also this corner piece here where the water backs up Fence Creek and then inundates this area, will be held back by this barrier. Now, my first question to the engineers at that time, was this going to force water into another location and cause further problems? The answer to that is no. Because there's such a vast expanse of water, it's like sticking a pin into a bucket full of water. There's no displacement of water or any issues there. So I was comfortable in that response, so I was able to go out and again put another petition to the community, gained over 800 signatures. After explaining them to them, this makes sense, let's try this out and see how we can get it to be done. So really put that 800 signature petition to the state government, and they felt that it was a worthwhile project to help support, and council also supported with their $1.5 million as well. So we're here today, and we're looking at maybe putting some cameras here over the flood event and actually watch the water through some time-lapse footage and watch the water come up, and just to make sure that everything's working well. We'll have a number of gangs on site working through, having a look to make sure that there's no seepage or any areas where there could be some breakout, or some of the drains that we may not have picked up in the whole development of this area. So it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out over the next couple of days. Look, what we will be doing with the revised flood level of 9 metres. Again, it's going to be something we'll be able to record through this gauge here, which will give us a true indication of what the height is. So once the water reaches a point here, we'll be able to refer that, shoot that level back across to the main gauge in the Fitzroy, and gain that information as well. So that'll be critical about how we're able to keep that information going. So I haven't got the full details on the heights here, but I'll be watching this intensely so we got that information and that data there down the future. And I'm sure our community will support seeking further funding for these types of projects. There's areas in Depot Hill where we may not be able to provide a 9 metre flood protection, but maybe a 7.5 or a 7 metre flood, where this type of deployment of a levee in some of those streets there could hold the water back and protect their properties from inundation. I think it's an engineering solution to a problem that we can help residents go through those times of stress and hardship.